Hi everyone, in today's video let me tell you the best weight loss drinks. But before moving forward, hit the subscribe button. 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Drink. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water. Juice of half a lemon. 1 to 2 slices of fresh ginger. Instructions: boil water and allow it to cool to a warm temperature. Add the juice of half a lemon and the fresh ginger slices. Stir well and drink on an empty stomach in the morning. Benefits: the combination of lemon and ginger can help with digestion, detoxify the body, and boost metabolism. 2. Cucumber Mint Infused Water. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, sliced. A handful of fresh mint leaves. 1 liter of water. Instructions: add the cucumber slices and mint leaves into the water. Let it infuse in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Drink throughout the day. Benefits: cucumber and mint both promote hydration and digestion while having low calories, helping with weight loss. 3. Apple Cider Vinegar Drink. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 glass of warm water. Optional: 1 teaspoon of honey. Instructions: mix the apple cider vinegar in warm water. Stir well and optionally add honey to balance the taste. Drink it before meals, once or twice a day. Benefits: apple cider vinegar can help control appetite, improve digestion, and balance blood sugar levels. 4. Green tea with lemon. Ingredients: 1 green tea bag. Juice of half a lemon. 1 cup of hot water. Instructions: steep the green tea bag in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and add lemon juice. Stir and sip slowly. Benefits: green tea contains antioxidants and compounds like catechins that are known to boost metabolism, while lemon provides vitamin C and supports detoxification. 5. Cinnamon Honey Drink. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 glass of warm water. Instructions: mix the cinnamon powder and honey in warm water. Stir thoroughly and drink before bedtime. Benefits: cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and curbs cravings, while honey provides natural sweetness without spikes in blood sugar. These drinks, when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise, can support your weight loss journey. However, make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day with water too, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.